Hey everyone, we're a few weeks into the new year and now is the time to purge and simplify your makeup and skincare routine. And today we're talking makeup. It's a big struggle for a lot of women I see when I go into organized bathrooms. Guilt a lot of times is associated with skincare and makeup products because you spend a lot of money on something and you don't return it and it gets thrown back in a drawer and you don't ever use it and you don't intend on using it, but the thought of throwing it away is unbearable. So today I'm here to motivate you. Even if something costs a lot of money, it's well worth simplifying and purging and getting back to the basics of what you really do need. So the first thing is grab a garbage can. And what do I get rid of? This is what you get rid of. Anything that's broken, anything that you no longer use or need or love, or when you put it on, you say, oh my God, I look like I'm wearing a mask. Any of those responses, it needs to go away, whether you donate it or give it to a friend, but don't keep something just because. There isn't a good reason if you don't use it. The second most important category is to sort like items. You hear me talk about it on my blog and you've heard me mention it before. But if you don't sort like items, you end up repurchasing the same items over and over. Keeping like things together prevents overbuying and overspending on so many items. So keep like things together. And the third thing is organize. What container do you need to organize? Everybody's bathrooms are different. Some people have a lot of space, some people have no space. So figure out what space you have. Is it a countertop? Is it underneath the sink? Is it a drawer? Whatever it is, measure first and then find the product that's right for your space. This is a counter organizer for makeup. I love it. It keeps, in my opinion, as an organizer, everything that you need in one area. And if you don't want it on your counter, you can pick it up and put it underneath. So if you want more tips on how to simplify in 2019, go to neatlydesign.com.